Okay, so I got the Sky Manufacturing Super Duty spring kit. I started installing it. It's fairly easy to do on a bare frame. Hardest part for me has been drilling these new holes in the frame up here in the front. What I did was I took a 1/2-inch drill bit and centered all the holes, and then I gradually went up in size until I got them all the way through. I did the outsides. I got to do the insides next. But other than that, you got to make sure you measure this at 55.5 inches off of the old shackle hanger too. So I got the new shackle hangers that are going to go back here, and then put the springs in, dry fit them, and then when everything fits, take it all apart and get this thing sandblasted.